Nailed it.
Wow, aren't you scared?
Did I actually get you?
I didn't know you were there. We just love the kiddie rides. It's like a nice relaxing break in between the pumping your stomach, wanna throw up ones.
That's so gross.
Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but you. We're gonna fly the drone inside our hotel room because we broke our propeller yesterday and I don't want to walk all the way outside, which sounds like something I would normally say, but it's like real here. It's like 30 minutes to get outside. Plus there's no lake. So this may go poorly.
All right. That went better than I expected. I mean, I'm glad nothing happened, but to be honest, it would be a lot funnier if something happened.